In this episode, Jenn Salinetti joins us from Woven Roots Farm to speak about sustainability and the local food economy.
Hi, my name is Jenn Salinetti. I am a co-founder, farmer, and educator at Woven Roots Farm. We are located in present-day Tyringham, Massachusetts, on the sacred homelands of the Mohican Nation and the Stockbridge-Munsee people. Our farm centers itself around nurturing the soil that nourishes our community by opening our hearts and our minds to the indigenous practices of living and farming. We're able to provide vibrant, nutrient-dense, and abundant food that offers health and resiliency to our community members. The capitalist food system was designed to put the power in the hands of a privileged minority while disproportionately passing off this negative side effects, both socially and environmentally, to racially stigmatized groups. We are here to disrupt that system. We are here to restore the balance that we all deserve. We are here to lean into the indigenous wisdom of our ancestors, to honor the land and each other. When I think about normal, the only thing that I can think of was our normalization of greed and dishonesty, extraction, disconnection, hate, and lack. It is time for us to again listen to the teachings of the soil and to move on the pathway of mutual aid, reciprocity, diversity, and coexistence. The COVID-19 crisis is something that we are all facing incredibly intimately now. And I am constantly finding myself turning to the soil to understand the very nature of this existence. Over the last several weeks, I have been more intimately involved with this crisis than I'd like to admit. I have dear family members that have been affected. And because of that intimacy that I've been experiencing with my family, I am able to see the deep messages of imbalance that we are experiencing at this time. On our farm, when there is balance, there is mutual flourishing. When there is imbalance, there is weakness and disease. This illness is a forced slowdown. It is a requirement for us to pause and to listen in perhaps new and different ways for some of us. It is time for us to consider our humility and to put aside our personal conveniences and privileges so that we may disrupt and restore balance. This is a time for us to reconsider our relationship with ourselves and the earth. We are being given the opportunity to create a new tomorrow, one that unites all of humanity and nature again. This is a time for us to gather our grief, our outrage, our confusion, and also our prayers and creativity and beauty. We can compost these and turn them into seeds that will sprout to a more nourishing and equitable future together. My desire to work more intimately with the soil and magnify our capacity is being completely inspired through our partnership with Bridge, because I believe that everybody has that right to fair and healthy access to food. I believe that the knowledge that I have and my experience for the last 20 years is something that I can give back to my community. During this COVID-19 crisis, I ask that you take a moment to pause. Know that wherever we are connected. We are connected to each other, and we are connected to the earth. The earth is here for us, and she provides in ways that continue to astound and amaze me. Even at moments when we have caused unbelievable amounts of harm, the earth is there for us. So this is a time for us to lean in and to listen to that. A time for us to consider what it is that we can do in our own personal actions, in our very breath, to be connected and to honor the earth. If you have the ability to grow something, do it. Just try it and learn from the moments of planting seeds, whether it's in a container, a small pot, it's on your balcony, it's in a raised bed, it's in a garden plot, wherever it is. Perhaps it's even seeds that are in your mind. But think about what it means to put energy towards planting and cultivating something that will give back to you. Listen to what the soil and the plants have to teach you. Let this be a time where you can gather yourself and grow in new and beautiful ways.